Hello, little yogis. Let's stretch our bodies and feel amazing. Are you ready? Let's go. Sit cross-legged, back nice and tall, hands resting on your knees. Take a slow breath in and out. We are super calm now. Bring your feet together, hold your toes, knees open wide. Flap your butterfly wings. Not too fast, it's not a helicopter. Stretch your legs forward, reach your hands to your toes, bend gently. Be a sleepy noodle. No talking, just stretching. Stand with legs wide, bend forward, hands reaching down. Let your head hang like spaghetti. Stand tall, reach one arm up, bend to the side. Stretch like a rainbow. Don't fall, stay strong. Place hands and feet on the mat, lift your hips up high. Make an upside down V. You're a puppy. Can you wag your tail? Lie on your tummy, hands under shoulders, push your chest up. Hello, snake. No hissing, please. Sit back on your heels, arms stretched forward, forehead down. This is our quiet pose. No giggling. Okay, maybe a little. On hands and knees, round your back up, chin tucked in. Angry cat time. Meow! Keep hips up, walk hands forward, chest moving down. Long puppy stretch. So stretchy. Calm, light, relax. Stand straight, arms reaching up, body tall and still. You are a big mountain. Nothing can move you. Bend forward, arms hanging down, head relaxed. Shake your head no. Bye-bye busy thoughts. Lie on your back, bend one knee across your body, arms open wide. Twist like a noodle, soft and wiggly. Lie down, lift both legs straight up, feet in the sky. Can you touch the clouds? Stand on one leg, place other foot on your leg, hands together. Don't fall, tree, balance tree. Stay strong. Step one foot forward, bend your knee, arms reaching up. Strong like a hero, superpower activated. Stand wide, one hand down, one hand up. Make a triangle, nice and sharp. Stand on one leg, other leg lifted back, one hand down. Balance, balance, don't wobble. Hold your foot behind, reach forward, balance on one leg. You are a dancer, so fancy. Lie flat on your back, arms relaxed, eyes closed. Do nothing. Yes, nothing. Best job ever. Amazing. Wow, you did all the poses. Your body is stretched and your mind is calm. Give yourself a big clap. If you had fun, Don't forget to like, too, and subscribe. Let's do more fun yoga together. Bye, my little yoga stars. See you next time.